Welcome to Jacob and Dad channel. This is Jacob's dad. If this is the first time for you to visit, thank you so much. You discovered us or you found us. Watch our videos, give us a like, and you can subscribe if you want. If you're already a subscriber, I can't thank you enough for subscribing and supporting our work, supporting our channel. Continue watching our videos, liking and sharing. I'm gonna be driving here. It's a long drive, but doing different things. So hopefully you're gonna stay with me here. Let's drive. This is St. Paul, Minnesota. For those who always ask, where are you recording from? Minnesota. I live in Minnesota, but I also do travel quite a bit. So some videos will be in other countries and other states. I hope you're doing well. It's New Year, it's 2024, and hopefully so far it's going well for you. I wish you nothing but the best. I hope this year will be better for you and for me than last year. Last year was pretty good for me. This year so far, I haven't seen anything yet. But hopefully things will turn around and I'll start seeing some successes and different good things. Not complaining. Let's drive. My first stop is here at the bank. I got some cash. You saw me looking around because it's not the best neighborhood here. So when you're at the ATM, you have to be aware of your surroundings. You have to look around and make sure nobody's creeping up to rob you. Now I'm gonna go to my other bank. Put the cash I just withdrew from that bank to deposit in my other bank. my other bank over here, so I'm gonna deposit my cash. So I'm done depositing. Now I'm gonna drive. Thank you so much for joining. Give us a like, subscribe. Peace out.